mercy from the gods which you praise. So try to put shackles around my wrist, but shackles on these wrists just don't ever fit. So 7 times tried and 7 times failed. Oh, just something about this boy just cannot be jailed. So as he